In October, we often think of cool weather, pumpkin spice lattes, and all things fall. But the harsh reality is, that's not always the case for Arizona. Right now, temperatures continue reaching dangerous levels, making the fire risk extremely high this fire prevention month. Because of this, local organizations like the American Red Cross and the Maricopa County Department of Emergency Management are stepping up fire mitigation efforts.
The Sound the Alarm campaign is really focused on preparation. What we want to do is get with community agencies, governments, nonprofits, and identify those high-risk areas where people probably don't have adequate preparation in smoke alarm installation. And by mobilizing volunteers, we can go into those communities and provide no-cost smoke alarms, including installation, for people that may not have given any thought to having them.
In Maricopa County alone, the Red Cross has installed over 12,000 smoke alarms through this campaign. More than 5,000 of those have directly increased safety in homes, helping reduce the chance of a fire going undetected.
One thing the Red Cross does is we track the number of smoke alarms that we put in to people's houses and whatnot. And we also track homes that had installations that we put in who had a fire and actually got out and saved lives. And I think we've got well over 300 homes where smoke detectors were put in, went off at the time of the fire, and the people got out safely. So there were lives saved because of those smoke alarms.
The Maricopa County Department of Emergency Management, a preparedness and response agency, is also working diligently on fire reduction projects across the valley.
The number one way that we do that is through what's called the CWPP, or the Community Wildfire Preparedness Program. With that, not only do we align high-risk areas within the county, but we also make sure that we can fund training, equipment, and fuel reduction projects within those districts.
With both local organizations working hand in hand, they're taking critical steps to protect our communities and reduce fire risk, helping to ensure safety, even as Arizona faces ongoing wildfire challenges.